looking at the catch cans installs for the Subaru WRX, and we have the stage 2 kit, which basically contains the CCV side and also the PVC side. So I'll clean up both sides real nicely. It's a super simple install, and we're just gonna look at using this very affordable ADDW oil catch can kit, and I have 2 of them to that's stage 2 side. So let's do some unboxing. Got the bracket for this is going to be towards the intercooler side, so you do have to remove your intercooler. It's super easy, honestly. You can probably do both of these under an hour. So yeah, a bunch of fittings and of course. And let's check out the main piece itself, where it catches the oil. Ooh, that's nice. It's a nice metal piece. Feels nice in the hand. You have a little ring. You can actually switch these out if you buy, if you want a black one or a blue one. They have different colors on their website. This is how you check the level. You little screw right here. Okay. Let's see how much oil and contaminants it caught. And basically what happens what a catch can does is it prevents any kind of oil vapors or anything going back into the intake, which is bad. Here we go. Unscrewing the can. So this is pretty much how it looks like on the inside. And there's some baffles right here. Okay, wow, this looks nice. It feels real good in hand. But yeah, let me basically the kit comes with everything you need to install. The only thing that you actually do need to buy is some Teflon tape, which I actually have. Got from Home Depot. Simple, 97 cents from Home Depot. That just basically makes the fitting more secure and sealed. So let's get with the install. We're gonna do both sides at once. First thing you want to do is remove that bad boy right there. Remove the engine cover. It's real simple. Just 2 clips right here. They're actually really fast. So these are the 2 prongs, and they're just pushed into that little thing right there. Alright, so of course we have to remove the intercooler, and this is where the new catch cans is gonna mount. Obviously you have to remove my flex fuel sensor, and also not my sensor, but whatever the computer and the existing bolt right here. So let's just get that out of the way too. Oh, don't drop that. My computer. The intercooler, it's really easy. Just this bolt right here, and then you have another bolt. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yeah, that 12 right there, right in the middle of the frame, and of course the hose clamps that holds it. So let's just get to it. So I'm just going to install the bracket that goes right here. It comes with some hardware, so let's use the hardware it comes with. The only thing with me is I have that flex fuel computer or whatever that is. So, but it comes with these 2 bolts. And they have some nice ass washers. Holla. Nice, these line up perfectly. Trying to install the mounting bracket with my Cobb flex fuel, so it's a little bit harder. Let's see if it can grab. Alright, so you can install the catch can here. I actually recommend installing it while this thing's not on there, but hey, what are you gonna do? Right, so the next thing you gotta do is cut the Pcv pipe right here, which is this main one right here, so then you can route the inlet and outlet out of this tube. I actually never used this tool before, so Just hang on tight. The instructions say cut pretty much right here. There you go. So we get these two pipes right here. Cut off. Then we have the new lines right here. All right, so we have mosquitoes that's now dead, but you want to put the new hose onto where you cut off, which this side, which is in the heading to like the turbo, is going to go into the outlet, and then the one that's under the intake manifold is going to go into the inlet. So make sure you tighten these up nice and good. Hose clamp, some high quality stuff right here. So let's get this piece into here. Of course, you want to use Teflon tape so you get a nice seal. Alright, and screw it in. Probably want to take the hose out first. So when you screw it in, you want to screw it so the Teflon tape isn't undoing itself too. Alright, so everything looking pretty Gucci. Alright, so we have the one that's going from the turbo. This one goes to the outlet. So let's just squeeze it into this bad boy. Of course, tighten accordingly. Alright, look at those lines, looking clean. Super duper clean. And then most of this, I got some zip ties going on right there. And then of course this is all this little flap. I can trim it a little bit more, but I'm gonna leave like that. The little cover right there is gonna cover all that. But yeah, dope. Alright, so, oh, damn. My pants are ripping. Anyways, all right, so we have this nice little bad boy right here. Of course, we need to install the bracket onto the unit. So let's do it. Allen key head and readjust. You get these two little Allen keys. But I'm just gonna do it like this. There it is, there it is. So you want to install the little fittings with the Teflon tape, of course. The big side is going to go for the outlet. I think this is 15, and then the smaller side, I think 8 mil or something like that. It's going to be the inlet. Now, the bracket basically holds right here where you installed the intercooler. So it's going to sit something like this. So it basically sits like right here. Pretty tucked in back there. Kind of stealthy, very stealthy. But yeah, I gotta get basically the hose that is on top of the intake manifold or whatever, not the intake, the place where it vents on top. So let's go. All right, kind of a bit of a mess, but I have the smaller hose going to the lower part. Can't really get my camera underneath there, but you can follow this hose right here. It goes straight down to that thing where I had clamped. I used the OEM clamp. And then we have the bigger hose going to where you pretty much unplugged it, which is, again, I can't get my camera into that area. But yeah, everything is good. The install was very easy, and just gonna have to put the intercooler back on, and there it is, fully set up. Making sure nothing's popping off or leaking or anything, but everything seems good. test ride it, make sure, you know, how my oil is and stuff.